Hello everybody and welcome to the channel and to this whole new project, which is an interim project, which is going to be the build and adaptation, if it fits, of the what is called the Lidl Glider plane. Now I am not giving up on the Hurricane. The Hurricane is still ongoing. Next step is going to be the wing. You'll see that at some point. But getting close to building the Hurricane, I'm going to be afraid of flying it. So I've decided it might be a healthy thing to do, which is to practice to fly with something that is, first of all, more resistant probably, and second, not so good, not so valuable. So I've taken the inspiration from the Baron flights, and there are more videos actually about the conversions of these models to RC, and I'm going to try it also. Let's see if I put together the electronics that I have and the motors, which is for me still the more difficult part, well, the motor, not motors, and try to get something to fly, that I get some stick time before I commit the Hurricane to the air. So I'm doing the unboxing now. I evidently chose the blue version. I couldn't remember what I'd chosen. Here's the fuselage. I don't know how much of it you can see. Looks, there goes the glue. It looks quite nice, a bit shiny. It's fancy. It's a pale blue. It's got some sticker on it. Probably some reinforcement is needed according to the Baron flights. I'll see how I do that, because I don't have any carbon rods. I don't know if to buy it or not. And here is the humongous wing, and I see that the wing is completely white, which again is probably what I chose. Seems to have a nick there somehow, maybe got squashed somehow, but overall does seem to be quite sturdy and light, very light. So in theory, well, and in practice, this will slide in here. I'm not going to put it in under pressure, but it should go in here somehow up until the middle point, but I will do that after I do the adaptation. So that's the wing, and I suppose I'm also needing a tail wing of sorts. Here's the elevator that will also have to, well, the stabilizer that I'll also have to convert to an elevator. I'm not sure actually if it goes like this or like that. I have to figure that out. And then I think I've got also what are probably a ton of stickers that I'm not so interested in, but maybe, why not? And a little booklet with the instructions about how to assemble it, I'm sure. And that's pretty, and a piece of cardboard. So that's pretty much it. So really it's a 3-piece glider that is going to turn hopefully into a flying RC model that that will allow me to practice the assembly, the electronics, and then also actually to fly around with it. So the next step that I'll probably do, I don't know, probably in another video, this will be the introduction simply, will be to remove the canopy, start to dig holes there, to put in the electronics, do the ailerons, put in the servos somewhere, and also cut off the nose and put on an engine. So that's going to be this kind of interim project that I'm probably going to do in parallel with the Hurricane, because I do enjoy also building with balsa. So as always, and in any case, thank you everybody for following along, and I'll see you next time.